Welcome back to my workspace and thank you for joining in today. Today, I just want us to kind of look at one of our company in cannabis that we have identified as one of the potential that we might be interested in. Tilray cannabis. So right now, Tilray seems to be all-time low in price, in the cost of the share of the stock. It's near an all-time low. Then the question is Tilray, is it a buy or a sell? Or maybe a hold? So that is the question. Is it a buy? Is Tilray a buy? Maybe even to the old industry too. Is it a buy? Is cannabis worth investing in? If you ask me that question based on the information that I have and based on the research that I've done and also based on the potential of this new industry, I would say for a long term, yes, it's a buy. But if you try to swing straight, then it's questionable because of what the market is right now. The market is volatile because of the interest rate that is being increased and because the economy keep getting strong. It's not as much as the Fed is trying to bring the interest rate down, the data continue to kind of show some strength in the economy, which translates into there is high possibility that the Fed will continue to raise rates. So as much as that continues to linger around, people's gonna hold back. People gonna hold back on activities. There's gonna be money that's gonna be sitting on the sideline. So that is why you see most of these stocks, especially the most of the growth stock seems to be way down. The situation right now affected because the economy is still showing some kind of strength, which means the Fed will continue to raise rates. And as that is still in the mind of investor, they are going to hold on and don't go all the way in. So if you ask me, as I've said, is Tilray a buy or a sell? And my answer is, for the long term, I believe it's a buy. Now, Tilray has a medical division. Okay, they have a medical division, which actually right now is participating in the clinical trial in Spain for a brain cancer medicine. Let me repeat that because to me, I see it as a great potential. Now, Tilray has a medical division, and their medical division right now is participating in a clinical trial of a medicine in Spain for brain cancer. Imagine if everything works fine. It works fine. And Tilray becomes this pharmaceutical company. Because sometimes now, when you Google cannabis, you see them under cannabis as a category, and also you see them as pharmaceutical company. Because they are. Because they are. So imagine a pharmaceutical company coming up with a new product, not just a new product about brain cancer. Sky is the limit. So when I say in the long run, in the long term, that I believe is a buy, that's what I meant by that. And also they continue to expand and gain market share. They continue to expand and gain market share. Tilray is, I believe, in the long run, is going to be, if not the leading of this industry, is going to be a force to reckon with. I mean, it's going to be in the front of other companies to try to catch up with. And that is the way I'm investing in it. That's the way I think, it's going to go. That they are doing things that they're supposed to do. Yes, we are not seeing the result at this moment based on the market situation and also the economy as a whole. So we are not seeing it. But in the long run, when everything comes together, we will realize that they have done a lot of work. Do they have some challenges? Are they going to have some challenges? Of course they are. Like every other, company, and like every other growth company. Okay, they're going to have challenges. They have the road is not smooth. It's going to be a bumpy road. But I'm saying on this channel, I'm just, letting us kind of able to do our own research and also to see what they are doing. They are involved in medicine. They have a medical division and they continue to gain market share. As long as they continue that, there is a potential for them. You know, let me say this. Tilray in the past 6 months has bought about four different beverage company, alcoholic beverage company, and some of it they pay in cash. They pay cash for it. So if they continue to expand and they continue to gain market share and they continue to spend their money in buying it for cash, they are positioning themselves in a right position. Right now, the institutional buyers are not in it yet. They are not in it. Once the institutional buyers start buying this stock, then it goes up. So our strategy is, now that the institutional buyers are not even looking at this stock now, it's giving us the opportunity and the time for us to be able to pile it up, to accumulate, to keep buying all these stocks now. So that by the time the institutional buyers start coming in, and you and I know they don't buy $100, they buy in billions. So in billions, imagine billions. So before they start pouring in all this money, we want to make sure that we are already in it. This is accumulating moment. This is accumulating period. We need to accumulate. We need to continue to buy. We need to continue. If it goes up, we buy. It goes down, we buy. It stays in between, we buy. We just buy, buy, and buy. It doesn't have to be $100 all the time. It doesn't have to be 50. It could be 10. It could be $5. Whatever you can afford. Now, I cannot tell you what to do. I'm only bringing something that I think is an opportunity to us, the family, to the community, that we should look at it. Is Tilray a buy or is it a sell? I think it's a buy for the long run. So I just think I should kind of bring this point out to us, why the stock of Tilray is low and how they are positioning themselves right now. By buying all these alcoholic beverages company and paying cash for it, by enhancing and expanding their medical division, by being involved in a clinical trial of brain cancer medicine in Spain right now, and also by expanding their company as a whole. They are positioning themselves for the big bull. So this is why I think I should bring it up. That don't look at what it is now. Look at the vision. Look at where we are going. If you cannot visualize it, you cannot get there. It's like you closing your eyes and you're trying to get to point A, B, and C with your eyes closed. But if you can visualize our goal of building this generational wealth for ourselves and also to our family, then we will understand it. That we are not moved by what is going on at this moment. At this moment, we are not moved by it. We are moved by our understanding and empowerment of knowledge, of data and information. So that is what we are moved by. We don't take action based on our emotion or what we think would be or what we think would not be. We do our research. We empower ourselves. And that is why I'm bringing this out to us today to say, let's look at what is going on. Yes, the stock is down. Yes, it seems like everything is red. But what are they doing? What is the details of things that is going on with Tilray? Is Tilray a buy or is it a sell? I think for the long run, it's a buy. Guarantee for sure. I think it's a buy. But you know what? Nobody knows it all. We all seems to knows it all. So I would like to hear your own opinion. I would like you to kind of comment on this video. What do you think? How are you planning it? How are you investing it? Are you doing anything at all? I would like to read your comment. I would like to hear from you. Empower me too also. I want you to empower me. And that is why I'm bringing this up to us. If this is your first time on this channel, if you have not subscribed to our channel, I'd like you to join in and subscribe to the channel. I guarantee you this. This is from me to you. That your time on this channel will not be a waste. It will not be a waste. It will empower you and add value to you. As much as I want you to add value to me also. So join this community, join this channel. Subscribe, hit notification, and share this video. Thank you very much once again. Until I see you in the next video, thank you and have a wonderful day.